At 3 o'clock in the morning on the 24th of August, 2016, a massive 6.2 magnitude earthquake rocked a huge swath of central Italy to its core. Over 300 lives were lost, with thousands more left homeless. Local economies were devastated, and entire historic towns were wiped off the map. Feeling in our hearts ache for our Madre Patria, the National Italian-American Foundation immediately responded, relaunching the Italian-American Relief Fund, a site we created in the wake of the 2012 Emilia-Romagna earthquake to give individuals, organizations, and corporate partners throughout the Italian-American community a place to come and support shared efforts to do the most good for Italy. 24 hours after the site was relaunched, the Italian-American Relief Fund had generated $60,000 in individual donations. That number doubled in the next 48 hours. As of today, the fund has raised over $500,000 in support of immediate healthcare initiatives and future rebuilding efforts in the region impacted by the earthquake. The legacy of cooperation, selflessness, and support that the institutions and individuals throughout our community have displayed are yet another step in the march towards an ever stronger, more effective, and united Italian-American community. The National Italian-American Foundation, leadership in times of need.